Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your and your person's energies towards each other, what they are thinking about you, what they are thinking about the relationship, and what are their next steps towards this relationship, and what is the probable outcome of the situation you are dealing with. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's get started. For Pisces and their person, what's going on between Pisces and their person from 10th till 16th of January 2022. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Pisces, what's going on with Pisces and their person at present? Okay, so there could be a third party situation you could be dealing with in this situation at present. Okay, so how do they see you? They see you as a 9 of Wands. They see you as a person who is trying to block them. Okay, so you could be the one who is trying to block them. You could be the one who is trying to, not talk to them the way maybe you could be talking to them before in a very good manner, but now they are seeing that a blockage is coming from your end. Okay, and you are not wanting to communicate with them more. With the Four of Pentacles, see, you are not letting your heart out. You are not communicating to them. You are trying to just maybe there is something which you might have said to you, and that is the way you are behaving in that manner, where you have just started to think too much, or you are not able to express your thoughts, what you are thinking, what you are feeling about them. Okay, how do you see them as the Nine of Cups? You see them as a very open-hearted person, I feel, with the King of Swords. Okay, so open-hearted with a very practicality. Okay, so this is a very contradictory nature which just came, but at the same time I feel that you see them as a person who does not take relationships in a very serious manner, and this could be a reason you might have blocked them, or you might have stopped talking to them the way you were talking to them before, because you are not finding it in a very serious manner. You are seeing that they really want to talk to me, but they are not sure about me. That is the reason you have blocked them right now. You are not taking it in a long way. You are trying to control your thoughts, your feelings towards them, because the more you will talk to them, the more emotionally you will attach with them. They are not attaching with you the same way, and they might even, because their practical mind, they might even just take it in a very temporary manner. So how they see the relationship as the Six of Wands? They see this relationship as like people will admire this relationship. People will say that what a compatible couple you are. So this is more likely what they feel the relationship it's so good, it's so showy in nature, but what about the heart, right? Let's see what else do we have. Yeah, with the Death energy. So yeah, this is more like a temporary relationship they are looking towards, or they are seeing you as right now, seeing the relationship. This is not an energy of a person who wants permanent relationship. It's more like a temporary relationship. All right, so how you see the relationship as the Eight of Swords? You are afraid to take any step towards this relationship because you know that you will not get the commitment from them the way you want. You want it more, although you are the one who have blocked them, because you are the one who want more, and that is the reason you are stopping your heart to go towards them more. See, Knight of Pentacles is in your way. You want to take this relationship to the next level. You want to take it in a very committed level, but they are not giving you any commitment the way you want. All right, so obstacles from their end. The Devil. So this is that obstacle they are feeling, and this is that obstacle from their end. It's more about the lust, materialistic values, just likings and attraction. There's nothing more in this relationship from their end. Ten of Wands. See, because they know the more they will enter into a relationship on a higher level, they will come back, because they do not want to take that responsibility and they do not want to take that burden of the relationship. They do not want to carry it to permanent level. Obstacle from your end is the Five of Cups. You have already cried a lot for this person, I feel, somewhere, because you might have even expressed your energy, expressed your thoughts, your feelings towards them, but there came a no from them. And but after saying no also, they are trying to, they are just wanting to talk to you just for the sake of their boredom sometimes. Tell me more about the Five of Cups. Strength. Yeah, you are really courageous right now, I feel, Pisces. You are the one who is more strong in this relationship, and you have gone through a lot of pain already, and you do not want to go more in this relationship or more in this pain. With the Ten of Swords, what are their actions towards this relationship? Yeah, they are, if you get into a relationship with them, you will get the betrayal, definitely. And if you are not in the relationship, then also you will get the betrayal, because if not you, it would be someone else. All right, so this is how they feel, this is how they go towards the Page of Wands. This is a person who is really not committed, or who do not want to give any commitment to anyone, any relationship, anything. Might be because they have gone through a lot of stuff, might be they have a very bad past, and that's why they have become like this. A playboy kind of an energy is coming up. Okay, so Queen of Swords energy. Your actions towards this relationship. Yeah, you are cutting them off. Temperance. You are saying no, you are balancing your energies first, and then you will balance. I do not see you going towards this relationship, not wanting this relationship anymore. Yeah, you are balancing your thoughts, your mind, your heart, because you have gone through a lot. It's you who were crying. They were just attached to you. There was just infatuation in this relationship. I do not see it going to a permanent level, honestly. Outcome. Knight of Wands. This person is a playboy. This is the playboy energy with the Knight of Wands. Seven of Cups. A person who is too much into other things, lust and drama and money and everything. So many people, they are talking to many people as well. So they are attached to too many people at a time. So this is what they do, and this is how they do it. So there is no permanency in my cards, which I am able to see here. I do not see that happening. All right, so that is all from my side, Pisces. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.